I have recently discovered a few new techniques through several websites that will pay you for simply watching videos on YouTube. Imagine all you need to do is to click on a video, watch it for at least 30 seconds, and then you get paid online almost instantaneously. And you know that this is a guaranteed technique because look at all these proofs of payment. If you are curious about the earning potential with this technique, let me tell you that it is limitless. If you start with one of these websites that I am about to show you, you can make about $18 for an hour. Working on 3 of these websites will guarantee at least $50 per hour. But the thing with this technique is that you have to watch this video very carefully so you can follow each and every step correctly and so that you can maximize your earning potential too. The best thing about this technique is that all of the websites I am about to show you are completely free and require no investment. It is also available worldwide, so even if you hail from the farthest corner of the earth, this technique is absolutely applicable to you. Stick around this video because I will be giving you bonus tips along the way. So make sure you don't skip any parts. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. Now let's get right into the video. Now because you are watching this video, I will go ahead and assume that you already have a YouTube account, so I'll skip the part where I'll teach you how to sign up for a free account. So let's get right into the first website, which is youtubes.com. As you can see, the website has over 900,000 members already, so you can tell that this technique is legitimate and widely popular. Having been established in 2007, YouTubes has been helping users earn cash online by viewing different ads and videos, completing paid surveys, and referring other users to the site. If you read through the site, they claim that they have made over 20,000 payments since their establishment, which means that they've given out a lot of money to thousands of users already. To start earning on YouTubes, you will first need to sign up for a free account. You can do that by simply clicking on this button right here that says Sign Up Now. You will then be redirected to a page that will ask you to fill out some necessary details such as your email, a password, your full name, your username, gender, date of birth, and your country of origin. Go ahead and fill those out, but make sure that the email you entered is valid because you will be verifying this later on. They will also be asking you how you've heard of this technique, and since you've probably heard of this from this video right now, you can go ahead and type in YouTube. Just make sure that you click on I am not a robot to verify that you are human and make sure that you agree to the terms and conditions of the site. Before you can access the website completely, I've mentioned that you have to verify your email first, so go check your inbox and click on the confirmation link. After that, your account is all set. From there, you can watch a simple video on YouTube, which has to be at least 30 to 60 seconds long. Watching longer videos will of course earn you more money. My first bonus tip for you is that you can mute the YouTube video and just play it in the background by opening a new tab if you want to surf the web and other pages. Basically, YouTubes will detect that you are watching the video, but you're not actually actively watching it. Another bonus tip is that you can open multiple tabs and play multiple videos on YouTube simultaneously, which you can all mute so that you are earning money exponentially by making more money in less time. My third bonus tip for you is to change the playback speed of the video. As you can see, if you click on this button, you can alter the speed at which the video is played. By choosing 1.25, your video will be able to play faster and finish faster. This means you'll get to watch more videos in less time. Before we move on to the rest of the video, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Now the next website I want to show you is a website called iRazoo.com. Through this platform, you can earn free gift cards and cash prizes. As you can see on their homepage, they've already paid their members over $159,000 in cash. How do you use iRazoo? Pretty basic. You can sign up for a free account and just start watching videos. Watching videos will earn you points. Eventually, once you've racked up enough points, you can convert these points into cash or gift cards, whichever you prefer. Just click on the button that says Get Started so you can sign up for a free account. After filling out the necessary details such as your email, your name, and your password, you will be directed to your dashboard. Just scroll down to the bottom of this page and you will see a section that says Watch Videos. However, before you can start earning points through watching videos, you have to sign up for another free account on hideout.tv. It's pretty basic stuff, so I won't tell you how to do it anymore. You just need your email and a password and you're all set. From there, you can start earning points and money. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you in our next video.